Bonjour and welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language. In today's fun and easy lesson, we'll learn how to use the French verb parler, which means to speak, in the past tense. That's le passé composé. If you're a beginner or a school-level student, this video is just perfect for you. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video with your friends. And check the video description for the best French learning books, dictionaries, and a specially designed self-guidance e-guide for CBSE and ICSE students, all at a huge discounted price. So, what is passé composé? It's one of the most common past tenses in French. We use it to talk about completed actions in the past, just like in English we say, I spoke, she spoke, or we spoke. In French, we say, j'ai parlé, elle a parlé, nous avons parlé. Let's break it down. To form passé composé of parler, we need two parts. The helping verb, avoir, to have, and the past participle of parler, which is parler. So the formula is subject pas avoir, in present, plus parler. Let's look at each form. French, English. J'ai parlé, I spoke, I have spoken. Tu as parlé, you spoke. Il a parlé, he spoke. Elle a parlé, she spoke. Nous avons parlé, we spoke. Vous avez parlé, you, formal, plural, spoke. Ils ont parlé, they, masque, spoke. Elles ont parlé, they, femme, spoke. Repeat after me. J'ai parlé, I spoke. Tu as parlé, you spoke. Nous avons parlé, we spoke. Let's now see some real-life examples using parler un passé composé. Marie a parlé avec sa mère. Marie spoke with her mother. Nous avons parlé de notre projet à l'école. We spoke about our project at school. Ils ont parlé français pendant les vacances. They spoke French during the holidays. Now it's your turn. Try saying, I spoke with my teacher yesterday. J'ai parlé avec mon professeur hier. Type your sentence in the comments. I'll be checking and replying. Here's a simple trick. For all regular ER verbs like parler, the past participle ends in E. So it's easy to remember parler, parler, aimer, to love, aimer, regarder, to watch, regarder. For more tips like this, explore the French Communicative course and our special self-guidance e-guide for CBSE and ICSE students. You'll find everything you need in the description box, at the best prices online. Merci beaucoup for watching today's lesson on Parler in Passé Composé. I hope you found it simple and useful. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Learning Foreign Language, like this video, share it with your classmates and friends, and check the description for your learning boosters. Books, dictionaries, courses, and contact details. Until next time, à bientôt et bon apprentissage. See you soon and happy learning. Bye bye.